Hey, this is Alan Cowgill, and I'm going to be doing some training in April, and I'd like to talk to you a little bit. You can see from that chart right there. I've got a spot for you, so I need to have you show up. And I'm known as the guy that's cracked the code on finding private money. And let me talk to you a little bit about private money and what it's about. I speak all over the nation, and I find out that 85% of the folks I meet when I take a survey is doing this. They're going to a bank, so I have to assume that you are going to the bank, or maybe you think you're going to go to the bank if you're a beginner. But let's take a reality check here. Let's take a stark look at reality of what's happening to you when you go to the bank. Number one is you can lose some of the best deals because somebody comes along with all cash. Maybe it's one of my students and buys it out from underneath you. You got to have money down. Mine wanted 20% down. That's a showstopper for some of you. They charge points and loan fees, and granted, they aren't high, but they're still eroding your profit base. They won't finance some unusual deals. I'll show you my deals when I'm there doing training that they wouldn't have touched, but I made tens of thousands of dollars on, all because I had private money lenders backing me up. They like monthly payments. Banks like monthly payments. By the time I'm done with you on Saturday, you could actually structure your business where 100% of your deals are without monthly payments. I want you to think about that. That, one of the biggest stories you got to get over is, cash flow. So that solves that problem. And time, they take time. I'll give you an example. I wanted to buy a duplex, place appraised okay, credit's okay. Took them 4.5 months to make up their mind because the bank was in control. Now, if I wanted to use a private lender, I could get the offer accepted on Monday. I could own it Friday, same week, because the money's a phone call away. You have no relationship with the bank, but you think you do. You are lulled into a sense of security because you got somebody's name and their business card. And I'm here to tell you, you got error. You got nothing. They can quit, retire, get laid off, and you got to start all over again, or they get promoted. And they change the rules. They did on me when I had 4 properties. They shut me off, and it happened multiple times. Nothing in my life changed. They changed the rules. Your income doesn't satisfy the bank. They aren't going to touch your credit. Doesn't satisfy the bank. They aren't going to touch it. But the biggest economy of all is so many of us, myself included, we get into real estate to get out of our job. But the day you quit your job is the day the bank will quit you. How do I know that one? Been there, done that. If you're in this business, got in this business to get out of your job, but the day you quit your job is the day the bank quit you. You're building your business plan on your business on sand. Your business plan on sand. Because the bank has the purse strings. They're in control. How about if I teach you where it doesn't matter how many properties you got, doesn't matter what your income is, your credit is, doesn't matter whether you got a job or not, you can still run this business. Would that be all right with you? That's one of the many, many, many things I'm going to show you. Look, Saturday, April 18th, you see a website there. Take a screenshot of that real quick so you got it. theprivatemoneyclass.com. You want to go there, get signed up right now, mark it on your calendar, don't miss out. This thing is going to rock. I'm going to give you all I can in the time that I got allotted on private money and how to bring private money into your life. And I'm also going to teach the legal stuff. I'm not an attorney. I don't give legal advice. But I had an attorney research your state, and so I can come in and teach the rules. And you'll love it. There's not a lot of rules, but nobody else is teaching it at my level. Look, I look forward to this. Join me Saturday, April 18th, and learn about getting one of the most important, if not the most important thing, money, and how to use it on your real estate deals to your wealth.